Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you had a lovely weekend and are ready for a new week of distance learning. This week in Guided Reading, we are going to be looking at a new book. But first, let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. First one we like to use a lot is our eagle eye. That is when we look at pictures in the book to help us with some words. Our second one we like to use is our stretchy snake. Our stretchy snake is when we stretch out the sounds slowly, we go back and say the sounds all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. So I'll have a go, then you have a go, and then we'll say it all together one more time. Are you ready? Mistake. Ist ache. You have a go for me? Lovely, well done, good job. Let's say it one more time all together. Mistake. Ist ache. Lovely job. This week, the book that we are going to be looking at is called A Monster Mistake. Boys and girls, this is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Don't forget that you have access to this now. Let's have a read. A Monster Mistake. Mum and Gran went on holiday. They went to Scotland. They took the children. They stayed in a cottage. The cottage was by a lake. It had a boat. I like it here, said Biff. We can go sailing and fishing, said Kipper. Everyone had a good time. Biff and Kipper went fishing, and Chip painted a picture. Mum sat in the sun and read a book. This is fun, she said. Everyone looked at Gran's picture. Oh, Gran, said Chip. She had painted a monster. Kipper looked at the monster. Gran laughed. There's no such thing, she said. Mum went shopping. She took Kipper. Biff and Chip stayed with Gran. Mum looked at the shops. Let's get Dad a postcard, she said. Kipper went into a shop. I want a monster for me and a postcard for Dad, he said. Kipper posted the card to Dad. I wish Dad was here, he said. Gran wanted to play a joke on Mum. Let's make a monster, she said. I don't get it, said Biff. Wait and see, said Gran. They put the monster in the lake. It made the children laugh. It looks brilliant, said Chip. What a good joke, said Biff. What a good joke to play on Mum. Mum and Kipper came back. Gran pulled the rope. The monster went across the lake. A real monster, said Kipper. I don't believe it, said Mum. There's no such thing. Some people saw Gran's monster. They were amazed. They took photographs. The children watched television. Gran's monster, said Chip. Oh no, groaned Biff. The next day lots of people came. There were lots and lots and lots of people. They wanted to see the monster. Oh, Gran, said Mum, now look what you've done. Gran told everyone about the monster. It was a joke, she said. A man from the television came. Mum was cross with Gran, but everyone laughed. Gran was sorry. A monster, she said. There's no such thing.